Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change audio input device or how to change default microphone on Windows 10 computers. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To change default microphone or default audio input device in Windows 10 computer, click on Start menu, then click on Settings, click on System. In left pane, you will find the second option, Sound. Click on Sound, and the first option is Output, and you will find below Input. Choose your input device. Just click on the drop down here, and you will find your second input device here. Just select your target input device from here. This is the easiest way to change default input device in Windows 10 computers. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.